Okay. Say something. I mean, you have to show your top teeth. Your bottom teeth, I mean.
Move your bottom lip.
Yeah, move your bottom lip. No.
Wrong teeth. Oh, ew. So
you look
weird.
like,
look at him.
you look like you're like, you have an
looks like he's
underbite.
wearing a cape.
Amir, you have to clap.
Ew.
Amir, you have to clap.
Hello, guys.
Amir, wait. Okay, go. Say something.
Hey, guys.
So weird looking. Ew. I like when he eats.
Amir, say stop.
What do you want me to say?
What?
It's like a little... Ew, it's so gross looking.
Looks like he's bald.
No, he has a little bit of hair.
Yeah.